Hey guys, today we are making scones, guys. Our ingredients: 6 cups of flour, 25-gram butter, 6 teaspoons of baking soda or baking powder, and then 1 cup of sugar, 3 large eggs, and milk, guys. So let's start mixing. So guys, we start with our flour. Yes, our flour. We swift it, guys. We want it smooth. We want it nice and smooth, guys. We swift it nicely, guys. We swift it nicely. So we don't want this. See? We don't want this. So yeah, guys. After that, we put our baking powder. And we mix it together, guys. We mix it together. And then we put our butter and sugar. And we are going to melt it, guys. So guys, our sugar and butter are melted. We mix it together. We mix it together. And then we mix it with flour. We mix it with flour and our eggs. And our eggs, guys, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then we mix everything together now. We mix it together, guys. And then, guys, we mix everything together. We mix it together. And put a little bit of milk. And then mix it together. Make sure, guys, you don't overbeat your dough. And then, guys, we roll it just a little bit because it's not biscuit, it's scones. So it mustn't be flat, and it mustn't be big. And then you take a fork so that it can breathe, guys. So that it can breathe. and then take a cutter, anything that you can cut. I use this, but actually this is for biscuits. Let me use this glass of mine. Let me use this. You see, this is a right size, guys. And then now my oven is on 200 degree. So let me pack my tray. I grease it with butter, then I put my scones in here, and then straight to the stove. See you after 30 minutes. So guys, before my scones go to the oven, we make egg wash. So egg wash is only egg and a bit of milk, and then we took a brush, this is our egg wash, guys. So guys, after 30 minutes our scones is ready. Look how soft it is, very, very soft. So yeah guys, so please comment, please share, and please guys, subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.